Hold my beer. We are at the Pennsylvania Renaissance Fair, and we're about to watch a joust.
It had been 6 years since the last time we visited, so we decided to spend a day at the Pennsylvania Renaissance Fair. Located on Mount Hope Estates in Manheim, Pennsylvania, the Renaissance Fair takes up 35 acres and includes many permanent buildings.
We have Mermaid Michelle in the top right now. She's an Arctic mermaid, and we will put it on a lovely ribbon that you can take home with you today.
Before we could do anything else, Jim had to rush to the Prancing Pig to get Scotch eggs for breakfast. Although not actually a food served during the Renaissance, they are delicious anyway, made of hard-boiled eggs, wrapped in sausage, breaded, and deep-fried.
I'll try a bite of one.
Take one.
That's good.
Nice spread. And of course, Jim would not be nearly as agreeable to a day at the Renaissance Fair if it didn't include beer that he can check into his untapped account. After being welcomed by the Queen, the kids tried out some Renaissance amusements.
There you go. Why I don't like being this. Hi.
Woo! Good thing you didn't eat too many Scotch eggs yet. Apparently there is Jedi training at the Renaissance Fair.
That happened.
Losing it up here.
That's funny.
Mom,
Let me see ya.
the only thing I took was socks, and then I ended up in the socks.
That's funny. That's what the band Iron Maiden is named after. You chose poorly.
Look at her. They were island.
She's a woman after thrills. Yeah, it is beautiful, isn't it? Do you like it? Here, I'm gonna put a crown on.
We're gonna give it. You're gonna try everyone first.
Oh, maybe.
Where?
At the ice cream place.
Where's that?
They have cotton candy at the ice cream place.
Where's the ice cream place?
Right there.
How much is cotton candy? Hey, you're so full of crap.
It's $3.
Can you share one? I just stayed.
We always make them more.
How is it?
Sweet.
Yeah.
We are at the Pennsylvania Renaissance Fair, and we are gonna watch Jocelyn.
We are at the joust. It's fantastic.
Did you say it's fantastic?
This is my first ever joust and I'm really excited.
So every time we get ready for this thing, I think to myself, like, I'm not gonna dress up because it feels so silly. And then I get here and I'm like, I really wish I had dressed up, and I don't. Is it? They might pretend to be dead though. Are you eating jerky?
This is what makes James a jerk.
Jerky? Look up, it's the Queen! Hello! Good day! Are you okay, buddy?
I like my tongue.
You bit your tongue? How was it, Hope? Good, good, yeah. Oh! There you go. Woo, buddy.
Not to get that.
Nope. Overall, it was a fabulously fun day at the Renaissance Fair.